Hey, Uptown Swing level 1.
Elizabeth.
That's correct, Peter. So, we did 8 count this month, and here's your basic rhythm. We did the slow version, just quicks and slows. We did rock, step, boom, rock, step, boom, and then we learned to scoot. But also this way, we just put the scoots in for the slows. So your rhythm pattern, if you need it, rock, step, scoot, rock, step, scoot. You could say step, step, triple, step, 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 triple. You could say quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. It's all correct, really. Then we partnered you up. We did the flip flop. Leaders start with their left foot. Followers start with their
Right foot.
That's right. Okay. And then if you go like this, you connect up this way. And we went rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Same footwork. Open, open. Just fall into the rock steps. Then we did the yo-yo. It goes like this. Rock, step. Hey, they got hands. Follow right in front. You get my hand on the side of the back. Then I go in front for the reverse yo-yo. A squeezy. This one is a stretchy. Fine. This one is a squeezy. A squeeze. And then we did the circle. Thank you. And the circle goes like this. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. Important pointers. Followers really try and dance in place until you get scooped up. Leaders, you move in front of your partner. And both of us have this little moment where we cross a little bit in front of ourselves. Mine's on count 5.
And mine is on count 6.
So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch our feet one time. Watch mine on 5. Hers on 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And I kind of finish up a little backwards. We'll smooth that out even more next week. Last thing we did was the old stop and shake. Rock, step, bam. A shaky, 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 and a rock step. You could do it all day.